All right, legends, buckle up. We're diving headfirst into the hottest financial news. First, Guinness VCT PLC is making waves with key resolutions passed at their AGM. These decisions are set to impact the company's financial strategies and shareholder value. Stick around to find out what you need to know. Next up, get ready for a massive capital raise as Northern 3 VCT PLC unveils new share offers for the 2025-26 tax year, aiming to bring in millions. We're breaking down all the details. We're also tracking significant funding plans from Northern 2 VCT PLC, which has just announced its own prospectus for new share offers, looking to raise substantial capital. You won't want to miss this. And finally, is it time to hit the brakes on Maven Income and Growth VCT4 as its stock price dips below a critical moving average? We've got the analysis you need to make sense of it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Guinness VCT PLC's AGM resolutions. Guinness VCT PLC has just passed crucial resolutions at its annual general meeting on September 16, 2025. This included the official approval of the directors, report, and financial statements, a vital step in transparent corporate governance. The market will also be watching closely as BDO LLP was reappointed as the company's auditor, ensuring continued scrutiny of financial reporting. Furthermore, directors Ewan Gilmer and Andrew Martin Smith were successfully re-elected, signaling stability in leadership. The company also granted directors the authority to allot shares and make market purchases of its own stock, powers that could significantly influence future financial strategies and potentially boost shareholder value. This move signals a proactive approach by Guinness VCT PLC to manage its capital and operations efficiently, with shareholders keenly observing the implications for their investments. Stay tuned as we uncover what these resolutions mean for Guinness VCT PLC's future. But first, get ready for a massive capital injection as Northern 3 VCT PLC prepares to launch its latest share offers. Northern 3 VCT PLC's ambitious share offers. Northern 3 VCT PLC, in conjunction with Northern Venture Trust PLC and Northern 2 VCT PLC, has officially published its prospectus for new ordinary share offers for the upcoming 2025-26 tax year. The combined fundraising target is a significant £35 million, with the added flexibility of overallotment facilities to potentially raise even more capital. These offers are set to open on 24 September 2025, and a key feature is the prioritization of existing shareholders, who will benefit from reduced offer costs. Mercia Fund Management Limited, acting as the investment manager, will oversee the associated fees, ensuring that the Northern VCTs themselves incur no additional expenses. This strategic initiative is designed to bolster the company's capital base, thereby enhancing their capacity for impactful investments. This concerted effort by the Northern VCT Group aims to attract substantial investment, promising to fuel further growth and opportunities within the venture capital landscape. Will this massive capital infusion shake up the market? We'll dive deeper into that. But first, we're looking at another major player, Northern 2 VCT PLC, gearing up for its own substantial fundraising drive. Northern 2 VCT PLC's £7 million share offer. Northern 2 VCT PLC, alongside its counterparts Northern Venture Trust PLC and Northern 3 VCT PLC, has released a prospectus detailing new share offers designed to raise significant capital. Specifically, Northern 2 VCT PLC is targeting £7 million, while Northern Venture Trust PLC and Northern 3 VCT PLC each aim to raise £14 million, with provisions for overallotment facilities. These offers are scheduled to commence on 24 September 2025. A notable aspect of this offering is its structure, which is designed to offer reduced costs for existing shareholders, encouraging their continued participation. Mercia Fund Management Limited, serving as the investment advisor and promoter, will manage and cover all associated fees for this endeavor. The board has expressed confidence that this transaction is both fair and beneficial for the shareholders involved. The strategic capital raising by Northern 2 VCT PLC underscores its commitment to expanding its investment portfolio and providing attractive opportunities for its stakeholders. These VCTs are certainly busy raising funds, but what happens when a stock's performance falters? We're about to find out as we analyze a concerning trend for Maven Income and Growth VCT4. Maven Income and Growth VCT4 stock price dips below 50-day moving average. Shares of Maven Income and Growth VCT4, LON, MAV4, experienced a notable downturn, crossing below their 50-day moving average during trading on Monday. The stock's 50-day moving average currently stands at GBX 51.73, and it traded as low as GBX 50.5, closing at GBX 50.5 with a trading volume of 2,218 shares. This technical indicator crossing is often seen as a bearish signal by traders. The company's financial health also shows a market capitalization of £78.08 million, a negative PE ratio of -2,919.08, and a low beta of 0.15, suggesting low volatility relative to the broader market. In its recent quarterly earnings report on August 29th, Maven Income and Growth VCT4 posted GBX 0.23 earnings per share, with a return on equity of 1.48% and a net margin of 31.71%. This technical signal has prompted discussions among analysts and investors about the stock's immediate future, with some suggesting it might be time to consider selling. Could this be a sign of things to come for Maven Income and Growth VCT4? We'll keep a close eye on it. Now, let's quickly recap all the massive financial moves we've covered today. All right, legends, that's a wrap on today's explosive news. Guinness VCT PLC passed key AGM resolutions. Northern 3 VCT PLC and Northern 2 VCT PLC are launching major share offers, and Maven Income and Growth VCT4 saw its stock dip below a critical moving average. Don't miss out on any of the action. Smash that like button, subscribe to Legends Nexus for all your essential financial updates, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, and drop a comment below telling us your biggest takeaway. And for the latest market insights, make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms.